Passive income ideas that can earn you $1,000 plus in a month. For most of us, this might be a real game changer. After all, with this influx of additional cash, you'll pay off financial debt, purchase a life assurance policy, or invest in your retirement. What's more, you'll finally take that dream vacation, make home repairs, or take a category to further your career. And, considering that fewer than 4 in 10 Americans could buy a $1,000 emergency expense, you'll build a substantial emergency fund. But, unless you receive an inheritance or win the lottery, this $1,000 per month is not just going to appear out of the blue. You are going to have to earn it. And, your first thought might mean learning a second job. There's nothing wrong with this approach, especially if you're during a financial crisis or have a short-term financial goal. On the flip side, this will pull you away from your family, friends, or hobbies. Plus, it is often exhausting in addition to your full-time job. In turn, that would actually put your main source of income in jeopardy if your performance or productivity plummets. So, where are you able to realistically earn an extra grand each month? Through a passive income. What is a passive income? A passive income is when you make money without exerting much effort. In fact, this needs so little effort that many people describe a passive income as earning money while sleeping. Obviously, that does not always literally happen. But hopefully, you've got at least a basic understanding of what a passive income is. There is, however, a passive income myth that has got to be debunked. Many of us assume that earning a passive income is so easy that you only need a weekend to start. And, then, you'll just sit back and wait for the money to roll into your bank account. In reality, there is a lot of work to be done up front. Even after the initial legwork, you'll still need to maintain and update your passive income sources. It's like taking care of your home or vehicle. Without properly taking care of those assets, they're going to quickly deteriorate and lose value. If you are put in a little elbow grease and staying committed, then yes, a passive income can create a further income stream. Eventually, this will help you achieve financial freedom, stability, and security. As a result, this reduces stress and anxiety. Number 1. Investing. As Jeff Rose, the wealth hacker, says, this first idea should be a no-brainer. And, despite what you'll believe, it doesn't take a little fortune to begin investing. Whether it's $50 a month, $100 a month, anything that you simply can start investing, you'll start making gains, start making interest, of your investment, he adds. Examples include index funds. These are mutual funds or exchange-traded funds that are tied to a market index, like the S&P 500. Due to this, these funds' performance correlates thereupon to the underlying index. Moreover, they've passively managed also. Dividend stocks. If you would like to make this a worthwhile investment, you'll have to invest a significant amount of time and money. If you invest regularly in dividend stocks and put within the time and effort, you'll have a very stable recurring income. Cryptocurrency. It isn't advisable to go all in with crypto. But, as Cale Moody wrote during a previous Due article, the risk of investing in crypto is evening out, and because the market continues to correct itself, we'll see more legitimate crypto investment opportunities rise to the highest. Number 2. Deals and survey sites. Some won't consider this as a passive income since you are putting in a little work. But, signing up for deals and survey sites allows you to earn a minimal income while going about your daily life. For example, you'll make money when you're doing your online shopping or filling out surveys while watching Netflix or on your commute to or from work. Sure, this probably won't buy you a yacht. But, rather than just sitting there and wasting time, why not devour some extra cash on the side? Number 3. Cashback reward points. This one's a touch bit outside the box, but hear me out, Rose states. Taking advantage of cashback reward points is another proven passive income idea. Now, I know, I'm sure you're thinking, how is that basically passive income? He asks, but, check this out. Before I started using credit cards to pay all of our bills, we want to use debit cards all the time, Rose states. Because I always subscribed to the thought of like you shouldn't have credit cards because credit cards are evil. The thing is, when used responsibly, credit cards aren't that evil. Why? Because credit cards offer various reward points. And, If you do not take advantage of them, you're missing out on free money. Rose explains that began using rewards points for cashback, hotels, or airline miles. Anything like that we knew that we'd be using on a frequent basis, he says. So, now everything that we buy, whether it's our telephone bill, our satellite bill, Netflix, groceries, gasoline, we run all of our expenses through our credit cards and that we get back tons of reward points. Number 4. Sell photos online. Today, quite ever, photographers of all levels are in high demand. The reason? Bloggers, graphic designers, marketers, and publishers buy and use photos online a day. Specifically, those on a shoestring budget, like bloggers and little to medium-sized website business owners are purchasing stock photos for their site or marketing materials like brooches. But, where exactly are you able to sell your photos online? Unsplash, Shutterstock, iStock, Adobe Stock or Dreamtime is a number of your best choices. Or, you'll be in complete control by creating your own photography website in WordPress. Number 5. Patreon. So, there's this cool service called Patreon, says Rose. It's for any artist that features a community, a growing community, and you want to get purchased your work. And, you've got a community of people that love your art, whether that be your drawings, your music, whatever that art could also be. And every time that you release a new item, you'll get paid a fee for that. Best of all, you determine the amount of the fee. An example of how this works is from Evan Burse, aka the Cartoon Block, who is friends with Rose. Burse features a thriving YouTube channel where the community will pay a fee whenever release a new images. And, he loves showing people the way to sketch superheroes. Since Burse was already sketching superheroes, he's making some extra cash from a fanatical community that is excited and supportive of his work. Number 6. Write a book. There's no need to sugarcoat this. You are not going to compose a book overnight. Thankfully, the method is relatively simple. Write a book in a few niches you're familiar with and self-publish it on Kindle Direct Publishing, Kobo, IngramSpark, or Smashwords. Although you will have to market as well, if it's well written and unique you will have another income source for years. In fact, Ross says that he's still getting purchased sales of his book Soldier of Finance, which he released in 2013. Number 7. Physical goods. With physical goods, the sky is the limit. As an example, you'll sell coffee mugs, t-shirts, dog leashes, yoga mats, or handkerchiefs online. Especially, through Amazon's FBA program. Amazon offers a pair of different fulfillment strategies, explained Serenity Gibbons during a previous Due article. One is their Fulfillment by Amazon platform, also referred to as FBA. The opposite option allows sellers to fulfill their own orders. Each method comes with its own pros and cons. The major advantage of using FBA is that you don't have to worry about a thing, adds Serenity. Amazon stores your inventory and does all of the picking, packing, and shipping. They also provide tracking numbers, handle returns, and cater to customer correspondence. Just remember that you will have to pay for this service, which may eat away at your profits. Number 8. YouTube. In terms of what sort of channel to launch on YouTube, there are quite few options available to you. You would possibly review products, give your opinion, or share instructional tips. You'll even provide updates on a niche topic that you're either familiar with or passionate about. But, how does that translate into money? That's a simple question to answer: ads. Of course, you would like to be a quality content creator and build an audience. Once you do, you will get paid through those ads that you're probably skipping. Additionally, you'll have your videos sponsored by a company. If you spend any time on YouTube, you've little question come across videos that have been sponsored by companies like Magic Spoon, Manscaped, Raycon, or ExpressVPN. Number 9. Blogging. Yes, you'll make serious coin by blogging. You only need to take that all-important first step and actually start your blog by select a blog name associated with your name, product, or service. Purchase the domain and web hosting in order that your blog goes live. Customize your blog through an internet site builder or hire a pro to do this for you. Write and publish your first post. Next, keep creating and sharing your content. Like with YouTube, Having quality content and a fanatical following can help you monetize your blog. Generally, this is often through banner ads or affiliate marketing. But, you'll also offer coaching services or sell information products like an instructional guide, ebook, or case study. Number 10. Create your own online course. Creating a course is a method to diversify your income, says personal finance writer and founding father of Tay Talks Money Taylor Gordon. If you are making money from a business, there is a good chance you have something to teach that people want to learn. I like making and taking courses from people because they're often a smaller ticket product that gives me an introductory into what the person is about, adds Gordon. From there, I can decide if I would like to invest with them again. Interested? Then let's run down the steps you will need to take to create an online course. Choose the proper idea. Your course topic should be one that's likely to be of interest to people. Ensure to do your research and ask the right questions beforehand. Sometimes courses that folks say they're interested in aren't actually courses that they will dig into their wallets to purchase, she says. Outline the course. You do not have to include every single detail. But, you'll be wanting to flesh out a lesson plan so that you and your students know where the course is heading. And that takes us to the end of the video. I want to believe that you will definitely take into use one of these lists to generate passive income for yourself. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. Thank you for watching.